1. Mantis shrimp. Imagine a tiny, colorful sea creature with a punch so powerful it can break glass. The mantis shrimp has one of the fastest and strongest strikes in the animal kingdom, moving at the speed of a bullet. When it punches, it creates a shockwave that momentarily heats the water around it to temperatures hotter than the sun's surface. Despite being small, this little warrior is feared by its prey, including crabs and mollusks, which don't stand a chance against its super-powered fists. 2. Axolotl. The axolotl is like a real-life Pokémon. This adorable, permanently smiling amphibian never grows up, meaning it stays in its larval form its whole life. Found only in lakes in Mexico, axolotls have an incredible ability to regenerate almost any part of their body, even their brain and spine. Scientists study them in hopes of unlocking human regeneration secrets. Unlike other salamanders, they never go through full metamorphosis, keeping their feathery gills and cute, stubby legs forever. Nature's little miracle, wouldn't you say? 3. Pangolin. This mysterious animal looks like a walking pine cone. Pangolins are the only mammals covered in tough, overlapping scales made of keratin, the same stuff as your fingernails. When threatened, they roll up into an unbreakable ball, completely safe from predators. But despite their natural armor, they are the world's most trafficked mammals due to demand for their scales in illegal markets. These shy, nocturnal creatures use their long, sticky tongues to feast on ants and termites. They may look bizarre, but they play a crucial role in keeping insect populations in check. 4. Japanese spider crab. If you're afraid of spiders, this might not be your favorite animal. The Japanese spider crab has the longest legs of any arthropod, stretching up to 12 feet from claw to claw. Found in the deep waters of Japan, these gentle giants can live over 100 years. Despite their creepy appearance, they are surprisingly slow-moving and mostly scavenge the ocean floor for food. Their spindly, alien-like legs help them navigate the seabed with ease, and they're even known to decorate themselves with sponges and shells for camouflage. 5. Shoebill stork. Imagine a bird so intimidating it looks like a dinosaur, and stares at you like it knows all your secrets. The shoebill stork, found in Africa, has a massive, shoe-shaped beak that allows it to catch huge fish, frogs, and even baby crocodiles. It barely moves for hours, then suddenly lunges to snatch prey with deadly precision. Shoebills even make an eerie clattering sound with their beaks that sounds like a machine gun. With their slow movements and cold stares, they almost seem like animatronic birds from a sci-fi movie. 6. Tardigrade. Water bear. Meet the toughest creature on Earth. Tardigrades, also called water bears, are microscopic animals that can survive just about anything: freezing temperatures, extreme heat, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. If they lose all their water, they simply shrivel up into a tiny, indestructible state called a ton, and wait for better conditions. They've even been sent to space and survived. Despite their resilience, they look oddly adorable under a microscope, with their pudgy little bodies and tiny, clawed feet. They might just outlive every other creature on the planet. 7. Lyrebird. If you think parrots are great at mimicry, wait until you hear the lyrebird. This Australian bird is the best mimic in the world, capable of copying almost any sound it hears. Chainsaws, camera shutters, alarms, and even human voices, it can replicate them all perfectly. Male lyrebirds use their sound skills to impress females, incorporating every noise they've ever heard into their elaborate songs. With its incredible vocal range and long, elegant tail feathers, the lyrebird is a true show-off and one of nature's most fascinating performers. 8. Ai. The ai is probably the creepiest primate you've never heard of. Found only in Madagascar, it has giant, glowing eyes, bat-like ears, and a long, skeletal middle finger. That finger isn't just for looks. It helps the ai tap on tree bark, listening for insects hiding inside, and then scoop them out like a living bottle opener. Sadly, due to its spooky appearance, locals consider it bad luck and often hunt it. But in reality, this nocturnal creature is completely harmless and plays a key role in Madagascar's ecosystem. 9. Goblin shark. If nightmares had a mascot, the goblin shark would be it. This deep-sea shark has a bizarre, elongated snout and a jaw that extends outward to grab prey in the blink of an eye. It lurks in the ocean's darkest depths, where few other creatures venture. Unlike the sleek, fast sharks the goblin shark is slow and relies on surprise attacks. When it strikes, its jaw shoots out like something from a horror movie. With its pinkish, ghostly skin, it truly looks like an alien from the deep. 10. Blue dragon, Glaucus atlanticus. This tiny sea slug is one of the most beautiful creatures in the ocean, but also one of the deadliest. The blue dragon floats on the water's surface, showing off its electric blue body while drifting with the currents. But don't be fooled by its beauty. It eats venomous jellyfish like the Portuguese man-o-war and steals their stingers for its own defense. That means if you touch a blue dragon, you could get stung with a venom far more potent than what a jellyfish could deliver. A true ocean warrior in disguise.